Hello, today I'm gonna use the Extrude boss base feature in Solidworks. First of all, you need to select the sketch, select the right plane, and then draw something. I'm gonna draw the rectangular, and then choose Finish the sketch, and in the features select Extrude boss base. It will automatically select the part. You can choose which direction, the size of it also. I'm gonna type it 10, and that's that. If you want to edit this part more, then you select the right button and push sketch. At that moment you press Ctrl 8, Ctrl 8, and you draw something again on this plane, like 10 wide ring, and then you again finish the sketch, extrude boss base, select the sketch, and do it on the other side like this, and now you get. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and maybe put on a like. Thank you.